I'm here volunteering with Men to Men, running the music group here on a Thursday evening and Friday afternoon. It's fantastic. The guys are really enthusiastic and they're learning every day, and it's great to see like guys of all different backgrounds and abilities come together and like have a good time. Peter and Norma at the hall and all the trustees have been really great. They've given us everything we need. They're supportive. It's such a great group here, and they're bringing people together and they're forming a community, and I think that's fantastic.
It's a great privilege actually to be part of the trustee team that's made such a brilliant success of the community centre. County Council were running the centre and they decided that it was not financially viable. And as you can see, the community centre was physically at the heart of the two communities.
And there was a huge meeting here. There was about over 100 people came, and there was obviously a great deal of feeling in the community that they wanted to keep the community centre open. I can see the future of the centre going from strength to strength. There's an awful lot of new groups coming through that we hadn't had before. The Men's Shed has been particularly successful, I think, and that they actually go out in the community and help other organisations in the community. There's obviously a need for this kind of thing in the community, and it's something that is supported an awful lot.
The most inspiring thing for me is the fact that people are encouraged to do a lot of woodwork. What we hope is that we can encourage more people to come and give a positive attitude to everyone in the local area to come and join the Men's Shed and be part of a fantastic community.
And for the outside area as well, we've actually worked with the play group to ensure they've got a new purpose-built play area, which is allowing the children to play outside far more frequently during the year. I think as far as the local community is concerned, this centre has been here for a number of years, and having been threatened with closure, there is a really good feel factor now that this centre is being fully utilised by the local community, all ages and abilities. Not forgetting that all this work that we've been doing as trustees is on a voluntary basis. We don't have any paid employees here at all, but we're happy, more than happy. We get as much out of it as the local community in terms of seeing the community centre thrive. In terms of the future, we're looking very positively at having a sustainable, efficient, low energy centre that obviously can broach into many generations to come, and we're very hopeful of that going forward.